Alright guys, so this wig does come with the fake scalp method. It is the improved fake scalp method, so you don't have to worry about ripping or tearing or anything like that. And in the box you do get a few goodies like a comb and also some clips. So a big question with the fake scalp method has been, can you see it through like your wig? Does it look unnatural? And it doesn't. You actually can't see it at all. And when I put the wig on, you guys will be able to actually see that you don't see it. It's just like invisible, but it does make everything look a lot more natural. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this this wig comes from a company by the name of Hairvivi. So I have indeed reviewed some of their wigs before, okay? So if I can remember, I will list them down below, but you guys know I'm not really good at listing other videos down below, okay? But they are on my page if you guys want to scroll down. So this wig is kind of different. So honey, the bobs are in, all right? So this is what everybody want. They want the bobs, and I can say that they're nice, they're fun, they're flirty, and also appropriate for the summertime weather, okay? So this is what she is looking like, okay? This unit looks absolutely beautiful, okay? So whoever did the cut and the color got it very perfect. Hopefully it's coming out, the color is coming out like, you know, true to color on camera, because I know sometimes it can come off looking a little weird. If it doesn't come out looking right, I will have pictures on my Instagram so you guys can really see in depth kind of what this color looks like. It just looks amazing. It goes perfectly with my skin tone. As you guys can see, that those are dark roots. So I love to wear color like this because I feel like it looks like a heck of a lot more natural than just having like a fully blonde wig. Just, you know, it just doesn't, that's not a good look. So I do like the dark roots. I think the roots are coming down enough, you know, without coming down too much to kind of ruin the style or whatever. So yeah, I think it looks really nice. So of course this wig, you can part this wig anywhere you want to, okay? So wherever you want to wear your part, you can party wherever. If you want to wear it up, you can wear it up, you know. So this wig is super versatile. I would say that this is most definitely like a get up and go wig. You don't have to do a lot to it. Also, it is a straight out the box wig, okay? And also, you do not have to add adhesive to this wig if you do not want to. Now, I did go in with some of this got to be spray, but you most definitely do not have to go in with the spray, okay? I just went in with it a little bit just on my ear tabs because the elastic band is doing a lot for me. But you know, in case it gets a little windy or something like that, I like to just have my ear tabs tacked down. But it does fit me very snug just having that elastic band on, okay? Which with mentioning that, I'm sorry, it does come with an elastic band for you, so this wig is considered glueless, okay? Also, it comes with combs all around the unit, and it does come with the fake scalp method. All right, so I did show you guys the inside of the wig. So with the fake scalp, it does make it to where you do not have to wear a wig cap if you do not want to, which is great because a lot of people don't like to wear wig caps and then it's hot outside, okay? So people don't want all those extra layers on their head. So, and the cap that's under it, the fake scalp, is very breathable, and it is a upgraded fake scalp, so you don't have to worry about ripping or tearing or holes or, you know, anything like this. And also the knots do come pre-bleached, so that's what the knots look like. They're not overly bleached or anything. They're not looking real crazy or super brassy or anything like that. I think they look really good. So anyways, guys, this is what the wig looks like, okay? Like I said, straight out of the box wig, get up and go wig. You don't have to do anything to this wig. Literally, you don't have to do anything. You just get up and you go. You throw it on and you go. The only thing you might have to do with this wig, taking it out of the box, is probably bump it a little bit, like, you know, kind of flatten it out just a little bit, and that's just from being in the box, and literally you are ready to go. I think it looks like super natural. You guys see me like just running my fingers through it, okay? It just looks great. Right, so anyways, guys, any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below. Also, links will be down below just in case you guys do want to go look at this wig or look at some of the other wigs that they do offer, okay? So anyways, guys, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you on my next one.